akin, boss. Oh, wala.
Hi people, welcome to my 12th vlog, and we are on our way to Tiger Sports Bar for a shoot, and together with me is my team. We have Tien and we have Kiara, and the boys are on the other car.
Say hi to vlog. Hi, vlog.
Ang arte ng energy.
Hello,
Take two.
Araneta City!
Kahit Araneta Coliseum.
In the club, we all fam.
Tiger Sports Bar, guys. It's an indoor, obviously. It's an indoor sports bar here in Davao City, located at Circumferential Road. Ayan, so it's gonna be an 8-hour shoot from 1 to 8. Yeah, mag-appear siya dito. Like
Google Maps.
do the sound, like the popping sound. Popping sound? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Ito yung pinaka grabe. Hindi naman siya pinaka grabe, more like ano siya, yung shoot namin naman, pinaka marami kaming dala. Hindi sa tao but sa gamit din.
Ito, no? Kadami natin.
Yes, like this is the first time we brought steamer, hanger, and bunch of clothes.
I brought like 3 more shoes.
And see, clothes lang yung pinag-usapan namin, pero he brought 3 more shoes. Diba?
Shoes,
Ganun siya. Hashtag spontaneity. Spontaneity. Actually, he's a model here in Davao City, so when it comes to shoots, when it comes to anything similar to this, alam niya na kung ano yung gagawin, alam niya na kung ano yung i-ready. Now, before we go to Tiger, we are dropping by 7-Eleven because someone forgot something that we really need during the shoot. Shopping!
We're gonna go
Ay nako, tapos mapatugtog ka agad, 1,000 miles. How do you know this song? I love this song.
Meanwhile,
So, punta tayo ngayon sa...
Asa taas ito.
Ang balita na Mrs. Nikwanay daling makuha. Huwag kang isip-isip ka muna. Marami ang namamatay sa maling akala.
Ano hit mo?
Yung sa music, especially sa TikTok, it still happens. Yung mga content creators, mga sa buka.
Napag-utusan pa. Water. Thank you.
Thank you po.
So we have the mineral water and the hairspray. Okay, gamit ko hairspray ha. Hello! So we are here finally with Cassie. Wala, first time hindi mo maano sa akong vlog. No?
It's a vlog, me.
Yeah, vlog.
I'm the new character. Unlock po.
Character.
Correct. Yeah, from now, moving on, you will see more of me.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Kia.
Hi. Fairway to heaven. This way.
Grabe. We are so amazed how big the place
Grabe.
is.
Mag-amaze.
Yeah.
Ano na mo guys?
Asa?
Anhin na mo.
Kani si Rick, wala siya diri as a project manager. Na siya diri as an architect. Gina-check niya tanan. Ano pa siya? Ano pa siya ganyan sa ano ba? Sa Speak Easy. Gina-check niya kung tama ba ako.
Gani. Inano pa niya.
Ano pa siya sa wallpaper. Okay, ang mga architectural minds na ka naman tama ba niya? Mali ang measurement. Kada siya, guys. Nag-billiards na siya. Pero siyang utok na IT square.
Oh.
Check ang
Nag quadratic formula na siya.
Ano siya proprietor dira. Hi, Carmel! Cassie, the model number 2, and Yestin, model number 3. Si Rick, model number 4. Ay, housekeeping. Sir, follow up niyo sa order, sir.
Pampa-open sa pores. Ay, tama day. Pang skincare sis. Putlon ko rin ng murag na hilo.
But pali. Ay, no. Kailangan natin niya siya sa flat surface.
So, vlog takeover.
Correct.
So, behind me, nasasaktin niya. Di ko Tagalog ko. May pag-Bisaya na. So, this is a day in the life of Kyle.
Yeah.
A steamer.
I steam and steam and steam.
So, this is just his laundry room. Ay! Nagkada ko!
You know what? Kasi pina-day off ko yung mga angels
Oh,
namin.
I see.
So, sabi ko, why don't you have a day off, guys? I booked you a 2-day trip at the Royal Caribbean.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't want my maids to be burnt out. So,
Yes.
pina-business pass ko muna sila.
Sure.
Yeah.
Bakit ginamit yung private plane? Wala pa nahuman dyan na ba?
Yung private plane kasi hindi na kasi ginagamit. So
Okay.
I'm so worried. So sabi ko, you just go fly to Singapore and just use the Gulfstream.
Oy! Gulfstream?
Ang hirap talaga pag nasa Fashion Week ka.
Talaga no? Paris Fashion Week.
Yeah, we're at the Tiger Fashion Week.
Correct. Spring and summer collection. Hey!
Okay, it's done.
Hi everyone, this is Lord, and it's gonna be a vlog takeover.
Ano?
Seryoso, like twist the hips.
Ganyan daw,
Twist the
ganyan
hips?
daw. Ganyan daw.
Asha, it's all in the hips. Saan ako siya kayo?
Nagtanaw lang dito kay taxes, ano lang. Tanaw dito, basic. Yan. Ang sweet niyo! Charot!
Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala. Kung lumalapit ka, kung lumalapit.
Oh, wag mo i-bend.
Yeah, tama. Tama!
Sure?
Wait. Measure mo muna nila.
Kaming goals
Your hips, move your hips.
shift. Right button.
Ding, 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 ding. Grabe ka close up ba?
Nosferatu.
We're having a break. There they are.
Max.
Go guys. Saan mag-post? Saan? Diba? Lipay kayo sila. They're so happy. Playing Tekken. So nag-change outfit tayo. Kasi napagkamalan tayong waiter.
Serious meeting. Vlog takeover. Yes.
Time check, it's 7:16 and we are still here. No, is it 7:16? Kasi oras na. Yeah, it's 7:16 and we are still here at Tiger. We're still not done sa shoot. Oh, kumakain po siya.
Bakit? I'm hungry. I need energy.
I need energy. You're hungry and you are sleepy.
Wala nga akong tulog. At least may laman ng chan.
Tama.
Diba?
Yeah. Sa shoot for today, our project manager,
Kapoy pero busog.
Kapoy pero busog. Ikaw ang amo ang project manager / operations / model for today. Grabe. Ha?
Hakot award.
Hakot Award goes to Renren!
Proud of you.
Seryoso man, kaayo. Grabe ka seryoso, oh. Wow! Sana all! Abi nako nag-video, nagduwa. Dinner time.
Buti, tripod na to.
Kain na muna. We have the gisado, the garlic chicken, the sausage platter, the gambas, and the battered chicken. So yeah, battered. I don't know. Comment down below kung saan na siya. So we are shooting the cocktails.
Yeah.
So he's gonna be our barista. So siya ang i-shoot namin. Oh, unsa man ni? Oh, sige. For Instagram. Asa tayo magibat ganina Rick? Para na. Asa tayo na ganina. Oh, grabe ka supportive, oh. Pak celebrity. Oh, kami po.
This is my point of view right now. Ay, sinong babae to? Uy! Oh, another babae. Annyeonghaseyo!
Gusto na ako kumata niya sa TikTok.
Isa. Eh, wow!
Boss. Okay na ko, okay na. Okay kayo. Okay kayo.
Time check, it's 10:30. Hello to our special guest. Sige.
Ano naman libak mo sa akin dito? I know
Uy, wala man.
not libak, but like...
Ikaw, libak ko na ako, wala.
Birthday for today, for tonight.
Wala. Wala ka na shoot? Ano ba ko, anim?
You're doing good, sweetie! Parang si Kris Jenner.
Wow, look at her go!
Oh! Oh!
Time check, it's 11:27 and we are still here.
Yeah, mangli.
Ha? Wow, lechon feels. Hi sis, are you having fun?
Ayan.
In love siya, guys. In love siya.
Feel ako... I finally found the right one.
Silip ako, silip. It's a wrap!
Yay! Ano yung pa-drone? Ano yung pa-drone?
Kaway daw. Zoom, kaway.
It's a wrap, guys. And this is the point of view of everyone. Or at least my point of view. Are you satisfied? Are you feeling great? Feeling good?
I had fun.
He had fun. Hi, annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Ay, ano siya? Ajuma? Kasamida.
We're done!
Gano?
Kikilig. Thank you. Hey, it's a wrap!
Yeah,
Going home! O, diba, vlog na po siya.
Bye! Adios. Wala sila ipipip, sis. Okay, wala ko ka-eat. Okay lang.
pati yung burger mo, ano mo?
As in, katupong burger, wapo ko ka-try.
Pero ganahan kay ko sa lapit sa Jud.
Pizza akong ganahan.
No. Kanang fresh, jud ba? Mailhan good na ano.
Tama.
Kailangan ito silang cocktail.
Fresh, warm. Ang cocktail, give mo one shot. Giyaro!
Ano siya sa ko, ama? Diba na ako siya?
Oh.
Ay, mga akong ka-one-on-one.
Ay.
Ano siya sa ko, sure, good ka, sir.
Ay!
Kulata. Pag dili na ko may mo, boss.
Malalaman kung sino ay ang Pinaka.
Malakas.
Malakas.
Pagdating sa yarukan.
Hoy! Sa tunglaban. Hoy! Body shot. Hoy! 621. Welcome to the club. Agoy! Ana din, Ana. I want to thank you.
Six ba ta? Makasya ba ta sa...
5 taxis. 5 ta ka buo.
So, kailangan nato mag 6-seaters. Cast! Hello! Ano na himuot siya?
Ano yung ma-fun? As in,
Kikilig yun siyang tamad.
I mean, the timing is perfect. I think this is... perfect na din siya.
Oh, abi ba na kung mahigda ka? Wala ka lagi ka nahigda. Kamusta ka nara?
Okay lang.
Okay ra ka? Hello. Hey guys. Rap. It's a rap. It's a rap. It's a rap. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.